Welcome to this little crochet therapy session. Perhaps your mind feels loud, your body tense, and you've been carrying too much without even noticing. So for the next few minutes, let's slow down together. Grab your yarn and hook, and let's crochet our way back to calm. This isn't about finishing a project, being perfect, or rushing. This is about using crochet as a gentle way to breathe, focus, and give your mind something soft to hold on to. Today, we're going to keep it simple. One stitch at a time, one breath at a time, one quiet moment at a time. When your mind is busy, even simple things can feel heavy. But crochet doesn't have to become another item on your to-do list. It can be a place to pause, a way to come back to yourself. For this session, choose a simple stitch. You can do a chain stitch, single crochet, or half double crochet if that feels natural to you. The stitch doesn't need to be fancy. The goal is repetition of the single stitch. Insert the hook into the work, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Yarn over again, then pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the work, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Yarn over again, then pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. This is what I love about crochet. It gives my mind one small place to land. Instead of trying to solve everything at once, I can focus on the next stitch. Not the whole row, not the whole project, just the next stitch. And sometimes, that is enough. Sometimes my stress doesn't disappear completely, but it softens. My breathing slows, my shoulders drop a little, and my thoughts stop moving quite so fast. Even if I only crochet for 5 minutes, I still feel like I've given myself a small pocket of peace. Look at what is happening now. The stitches are starting to form. A few loops become a row becomes texture. Texture becomes something you can actually hold. That is the quiet magic of crochet. You can begin with stress in your body and end with something soft in your hands. A busy mind and end with proof that you stayed present, even for a little while. And no, it doesn't have to be perfect. The stitches may be uneven, the tension may change, you might lose count, or you might need to pull something out and try again. That is still part of the process. Crochet gives us a gentle reminder that progress can be slow and still be real. You don't have to fix your whole day right now. You can make one stitch, and then another, and then another. Crochet can be more than a hobby. It can be a calming routine, a mindful pause, a soft place to put your attention when everything feels like too much. So the next time you feel overwhelmed, try picking up your yarn before you pressure yourself to be productive. Let the stitch be simple, the moments be quiet, and let yourself be here. If you crochet for stress relief too, let me know in the comments what stitch feels the most calming to you. And if you want more gentle crochet videos like this, subscribe and come stitch with me again. Tiny progress still counts. I'll see you in the next calm crochet session.